Hi, welcome back. I am back again because what I want to share with you are some ideas for vacation wear that I feel make me feel confident, they're affordable, and they're comfortable. This is if you don't want to wear dresses and you don't want to wear shorts. And then I'm also a carry-on only person, so I'm going to show you how to pack them, what else I pack to make the outfit complete, and hopefully as wrinkle-free as possible. So this first outfit would be more like my airport outfit because I still get quite chilly in the airport and on the airplane. This is a wide neck sweater from Target, and that gives it a little bit more breathability. I also have a little scarf I could put around that I will bring if my neck gets a little chilly. And Time & True at Walmart, the Time & True brand, have these wide leg pants that I love so much. I've gotten quite a few compliments on them at school. It has elastic in the back, and then it has a little drawstring right here in the front. I believe they're under $20, but that gives you enough comfort in the pants. So this would be like a good airport outfit and return home on the vacation outfit that could keep you warm. If you wanted to do with the wide leg pants, you could always do a t-shirt and a cardigan as well. I wear this to work on casual day. I'm a teacher, and so I usually wear it with my Dr. Scholl's tennis shoes that are very comfortable. Something like this keeps me comfortable all day, but then I don't look too slouchy because I don't want to look slouchy, which is the whole point. When you go traveling, you want to look nice, but also be comfortable. So I am a huge fan of wide leg pants. I'm so glad they're in style right now because it gives you all of the loose comfort that I desire. I wear my wide leg pants to school all the time. Now, I would not wear this to school because this is too revealing for me being around school children. If you have not tried the tank tops with the built-in bra, that is a new thing for me. I never trusted them, but I watch other influencers and people on YouTube and Instagram, and I clicked on somebody's link and that they really love this one, and it keeps you from having to keep adjusting your bra. It has good coverage. You can always take this and then put a little, I'll show you what I'm gonna wear with it because this is not my comfort level. Wearing a tank top, I'm just not one that I've just never gotten too comfortable. That's just me. But I do love my wide leg pants, but I do see this as an option. Most times when you see wide leg pants, you wanna keep something up here kind of slim because you're not supposed to put baggy with baggy. So you're just kind of supposed to put baggy with something slim, even though I don't really follow that rule. And so this is these are, I think, from Walmart. I have some wide leg pants from Amazon and Walmart, and they're always very reasonably priced. And they don't wrinkle because when I put them in my closet, I kind of like fold them over and just kind of shove them in there. And if they can survive me and not be wrinkled, they're wrinkle free. I don't know, maybe I'm lucky, but so far I never have to iron these. Or if I do, what I do is I throw them in the dryer on the dryer in permanent press and just kind of dry out the wrinkles. So they've got to just survive when it comes to me. I don't have time for all that. So this is my favorite color so far. It's the coral. It's like a peachy, orangey coral. And so it brightens up. I've got my Dr. Scholl sandals. These are my travel sandals, but also my work sandals. All day comfort. I've used these in other videos because they're tried and true from Dr. Scholl's. Super comfortable. I could also wear them with the Dr. Scholl's white sneaker, which would be fine. And so I'm going to mainly wear them with my sandals. So here's outfit number one. So something like this is my answer to wearing a tank top. It gives me a little bit more coverage. I've used this top in another video where I wore it with the tank top and my skirts, because skirts are some of my favorite things to bring. But this video is about wearing full coverage pants if you don't like to show your legs. And so this is my newest pair. These are from Amazon, and it's kind of a maroon burgundy color. Maybe more maroon, and I still have my Dr. Scholl sandals on. But this, think about this, gives you sun protection as well. The pants do, if you need more sun protection down on your legs. And then it also is loose enough to let the air flow. So here is one option that goes still with the wide leg pants, but a little bit more coverage up top. So what I've done, this is my, I guess you could say, third shirt. If you wear a tank top by itself, that could count by one, but for me, it's really my second shirt because I don't wear the tank top alone. As I mentioned, this is one of my favorite Amazon shirts. It's got this little detailing in here that's really nice. It comes in other colors, but if you've noticed, I'm changing out the bottoms to different colors and sticking with neutrals on the top. And I do bring a Tide pin because I know that things can happen. I'm not too worried about that. I've traveled this way for several times and it's not been a problem. And then I switched to a pair of blue pants. Can't remember where these are from. It'll be Walmart or Amazon. It's no big guess. I do have everything linked on my LTK below if you're interested in any of these links. But I've checked, so I'm up to 2 tops and 3 bottoms right now. And so the blue ones are super comfortable. Same pair of sandals. I will be changing my sandals in the next one because I've got some darker colors, but I'm changing out the tops to all neutrals that should match on any of these outfits. That way you can mix and match on your trip. All right, now I've swapped out into one of Walmart's Time and True t-shirts, and they do have more than just solids at Walmart. This one is a very neutral black and white pinstripe, and then I have a pair of the gray version, the one with the ribbon here, the little bow. Also elastic. All of these have pockets. I switched to my Skechers sandals. My Skechers have gone to Italy with me, and I do have another pair that I've not worn overseas yet, but I wear them to work, and it's my Crocs. I'll kind of show both of those in the video. Those would be either one, either or. These are very comfortable. The Crocs are a little tall for me, and one time I did trip because it is a platform. You have to think about that. Just be careful. And so this neutral could go with the other pants. And so you're not wearing white every day, but the tops are all very neutral, very interchangeable, so that you can have different colors on the bottoms. That's what I tend to do, is I have more pants and a lot of neutral tops. So this one is also very affordable. There's Lucas. He's usually in here when I video. All right, same Time and True Walmart brand t-shirt, same one. And of course, I'm gonna have these pants in black, mainly for school. But they work great on travel too. And so anything that I wear to travel, I typically am comfortable enough to wear to school, to teach in. And so this one is in black. I also have a black t-shirt, which I would not wear with these pants. But bringing a black t-shirt and pants on a trip, I don't think I would do, even though this is a neutral and it has the extra little sleeve up here, a little puff sleeve and a little detail right here. I'm afraid if I took this type of neutral with the other pants, the black would attract too much heat. I don't really mind it on my legs as much, but something about the heat on your back, and I already have dark hair, so it'd be like heat and then a pair of pants. I think I would leave this neutral at home. So I did want to say I do have a few other neutrals to wear with these shirts, but I want to wear my lighter colors so that I'm not attracting as much heat. So, and also whatever you pick, I always think about back sweat too. And so if you can wear something lighter, that might disguise the back sweat if you're out, because I typically am traveling in July. In June, I teach summer school. Even though this might be my last turn at summer school, I've done it for like 5 years. And so I'm usually teaching in June to earn vacation money so I can go somewhere in July and then fall break. And so I have to think about, I'll probably be somewhere very hot. And so I need something light and airy like these. And then some type of shirt that reflects heat versus absorbing the heat. So this is about as neutral I will go, as dark as I will go. So this is about as dark as I will go. Is a gray, but what I like about this t-shirt, and it's just a Gillian, I don't know, that might be a Walmart brand, but I like a V-neck. I think a V-neck helps me. I'm short, I'm 5'3", so I think it's supposed to help elongate a body. And so this one usually comes with me because it matches the other outfits. It's not my favorite. I like the other 2 white ones better because it has some detail, but it is a neutral and it's not just another white one, and it's not black. But this one is as dark as I would go. Now this one might show armpit sweat and back sweat, so this might be safe for a day that is not as hot. So these are my Skechers sandals that I have taken and are very comfortable. Velcro, I love a Velcro strap. I'm 56. I like things like that now. Never thought I'd be there, but I am there. And these are tried and true. I have not tripped in these, and they have been good for long vacations. These have been great for work. So standing all day in these Crocs, but I have tripped once. I did fall too. I fell down on my knees because I caught my toe on something. But extremely comfortable, and I can't help I am clumsy. So, and these are my Dr. Scholl ones. I've shown both of these in another video, but these are definitely my favorite for a light color pair. These, I don't know if I would take these on vacation because I know I've had a lot of success with my Skechers. So I hope that helps. I know they're not the most exciting clothes to wear, but they are just true traditional clothes that if you don't want to wear dresses, you don't want to wear shorts, and you like that more coverage that you have, and you also like affordability and comfort, these are the ones that I like to wear to work and to go travel in. And most of them, actually all of them, can be found on Amazon and Walmart at affordable prices. Like I said, I do have them linked on LTK down below if you're interested in. Other than that, you can just search wide leg pants on either of the websites. Some of them are like $13, and I think that's a real bargain. I feel like I'm a little dressier than just wearing like denim shorts or cutoffs. I would never wear any of that anyways, but you know, you want to look nice, you want to feel comfortable. So if this helped at all, if you like this, if it was educational at all, if you would give me a like and a subscribe possibly, I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you for joining me.